We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves. Sarnath, one such historical heritage of India, where Lord Buddha gave his first speech after attaining enlightenment in 533 before Christ. In history, this event was named as Dharma Chakra Pravartan, and this speech became famous as Dharma Chakra Pravartan Sutra. Sarnath is a famous Buddhist shrine located about 10 km from Varanasi. Earlier, it was named Rishipatan Mrigdaya, which was known as the Deer Forest. Muhammad Ghaznavi attacked and destroyed Sarnath shrines in 1017. In 1905, the Department of Archaeology excavated here. Many of the remains found in the excavation can be seen in the Indian Museum in Calcutta. The remains and tunnels of the excavation can still be seen near the Dhamek Stoop in Sarnath. In addition to the Ashoka pillar, a large number of sculptures and inscriptions have been found in the excavation. Among the prominent idols are the huge recorded idol of the Bodhisattva, the seated Buddha statue, Avalokiteshvara, the Bodhisattva, Manjushri, Neelkant idols, and statues of Tara, Vasundhara, etc., which are kept in the Museum of Sarnath. The main attractions of Sarnath are Archaeological Museum, Dhamek Stoop, Thai Temple and Mutt, Moolagandha Koot Vihar, Chaukhandi Stoop, Japanese Temple, Chinese Temple Convent, Buddha Temple and Ashok Pillar. Moolagandha Kuti. It is the temple of Gautam Buddha. Chinese traveler Xuanzang, who came to India in the 7th century, described it as the 200-foot tall Moolgandh Kuti Vihar. The carved shells and small pillars built on this temple suggest that it must have been built in the Gupta period. Next to the temple are sculptures made by Gautam Buddha, giving initiation to his 5 disciples. Dharma Rajika Stoop. It was built by Ashoka. In 1794, Jagat Singh's men took out the bricks of Kashi to build Jagatganj, the famous mohalla. It is believed that it has the ashes of Lord Buddha. The coffin excavated from the stoop is kept in the Kolkata Museum. Chaikhandi Stoop. It is quite revered for the Buddhist community. There are many signs associated with Gautam Buddha here. The Chaikhandi Stoop is believed to have been constructed as a terraced temple. An octagonal tower is located atop the stoop. Hensang called it the highest stoop of that period. Ashok Pillar. The Ashoka pillar is also known as Sarnath pillar. It was built in the 3rd century before Christ. 4 lions sit on the top of the pillar at Sarnath, and all have their backs adjacent to each other. India has adopted the Ashoka pillar of Sarnath as a national symbol. Apart from this, the chakra located at the bottom of the Ashoka pillar is placed in the central part of the Indian tricolor. The original height of the Ashoka pillar was 17 meters. Dhamek Stoop. The construction of Dhamek Stoop in 500 AD by Emperor Ashok of the Maurya Empire in 249 BC was built in place of a former stoop built in. This is the most attractive structure of Sarnath. The base diameter of this cylindrical stoop is 28 meters, while its height is 43.6 meters. Archaeological Museum. It is the oldest museum which was established in 1904. It has a repository of antiquities dating from the 3rd century BCE to the 12th century CE, in which, in addition to statues of Buddha in many postures, giant statues, umbrellas, etc., are kept in the standing posture of the monk Bala Bodhisattva. National Temple. Sarnath also contains 6 national temples of various Asian countries. It also includes Sri Lankan temples, Thai temples, Japanese temples, Chinese temples, Buddha temples, and Tibetan temples. When to visit? The best time to visit Sarnath is during October to March. Tourists can visit Sarnath during the festival of Makar Sankranti, Dashera, Buddha Purnima, and Holi. How to reach? By air. The nearest airport to Sarnath is Lal Bahadur Shastri Airport, which is situated at a distance of 24 km. Rail route. Varanasi Junction railway station is a better option for those who like to travel by train at a distance of 7 km from Sarnath. By road. Local buses, rickshaws and taxis are also available from Varanasi to Sarnath. If you like this video, please like and share it and subscribe to the channel.